how you can fix SteelSeries GG if it's not opening. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, if you have a VPN on your computer, you need to delete it. Also, delete the SteelSeries GG app. After that, go to their website and install the GG app again. Now, if the GG app still shows a loading circle or a blink screen, you need to close it all the way. Even if it's not on your screen, it might still be running in the background. So go to the search bar on your computer, type Task Manager, and click it. When Task Manager opens, look for SteelSeries GG. If you see it, click it, then click More Details and choose End Task. Now it's closed for sure. Next, click the Start button on your computer, search for SteelSeries GG, and right-click it. Choose Run as Administrator, and click Yes. This should help the app open and work. Once GG is working, close it again using Task Manager. Now you can install your VPN again and turn it on. Try opening GG again. It should work fine now. But if it stops working again, just turn off your VPN before opening GG. Make your changes in the app, then close it, and turn your VPN back on. And that's it. That's how you can fix SteelSeries GG if it's not opening.